Chapter 4, Heat, Class 6, Subject Science. In this video, we will see the summary of Chapter 4, Heat. Means point to point description of Chapter 4, because detailed information and detailed explanation already we have taken in the online class. But still, just for your revision, this video is available. When you are talking about the heat, so these two words, hot and cold, will come in your mind. Hot and cold, this is the things that you can touch and sense. Okay, by looking you cannot see that this is hot and this is cold. Suppose you will say that no madam, I can see the tea and I can say it is hot. I can see the cold drink and I will say it is cold. That is just your experience, that you know that tea is always hot and cold drink is always cold. Without touch, for anything you cannot see this is hot and cold. Okay, so by the touch you can sense the hotness and coldness. But again, this is the relative thing, beta, because two things together, which is more, which is less, that depends on each other's temperature. Okay, suppose one is less hot, another is more hot. So how it will be different from each other or less or more from each other, that you can say only not by the touching, but you can say by the measurement. So temperature, the word comes temperature. Every day we are listening this word in our day-to-day life. But in the definition way, the reliable source of hotness and coldness of an object is its temperature. So means you can, in the term of temperature, you can measure the heat. Heat can be, this is called, temperature is just a measurement. What heat, how much amount, just like kg of potato. So kg of heat we cannot say. We can measure the any of mass, yani ki weight, with the balance. But this heat you cannot measure with the balance. So for the measurement you need the device thermometer. Thermometer is temperature is measured by the device called thermometer. Okay, so first thing, temperature is the thing, reliable source. This is the source how you can measure the things. This is cold or heat or whatever. And same thing for measurement, you need a device. How I will measure my temperature? That thermometer is a device by which you can see the temperature. Okay, basically in this chapter we are going to learn two types of thermometer. First is clinical thermometer. So let us go on it. Clinical thermometer consists of a long, narrow, uniform glass tube. See, this is the picture of thermometer. Clinical thermometer, this is exactly the picture. So what you can see in it, consists of a long, narrow, uniform glass tube. It has a bulb at the end. This bulb contains mercury. The scale we use is called the Celsius scale, indicate by degree Celsius. This is not a zero. This small circle is called degree, and this is C stand for Celsius. So as I show you the picture, and also it is available in your home. Sometime you have seen, observe doctor to measure the thermometer. So measure the temperature by the thermometer. So it is not new thing for you. So it is always consist with the narrow glass tube. It has a bulb at the one end. This bulb, the scale we use is called the Celsius scale and indicated by degree Celsius. Another thing is also there, degree F. This is also small 0 and F. Degree F is also used and it is called Fahrenheit scale. So wherever you see 0 F means degree F, you just understand this is in Fahrenheit. Wherever you see degree and Celsius, you understand it is a Celsius scale. Degree Celsius is a unit of measuring temperature. These both are the unit only, as no kg, gram, kilometer, meter. These are for different things like height and weight. Same thing, degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit is for temperature. This is called the unit in which you will measure. Okay, 38 degree Celsius, 39 degrees Celsius. Okay. So just look at once again. This is glass tube. This is the bulb which we discuss. Okay, no, this is called the bulb. And see, this bulb is little shiny. So here it contain mercury in it. Inside the very thin capillary type of tube is available from here to backside. So whenever you try to measure the temperature, you just contact these things to the object, and afterward it start to increase. So you can read very minutely, it is given here, but you can see degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Both the things are mentioned here, just like your scale by which you are using for in the school, no, mathematics. Same thing, same kind of marks and same kind of numbers you can see here, but what the number indicate in the next session I will inform you. You can see here, this is the bold part. This is one section is bold. So from 36 to 37, 37 to 38, in between small and major lines are there. So by these lines you can read your temperature. Okay. So might be these points are clear. Consist of long and uniform glass tube. About the bulb also. Bulb contain the mercury, the scales, both of the scales, degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. Then clinical thermometer is used to measure human body temperature. This is the use of clinical thermometer, that it is mainly and only used for the measuring body temperature of human. So normal human body temperature is 37 degree Celsius. Okay, so this is the normal human body temperature. Range of clinical thermometer. Range means, suppose your scale start from 0 and end to 100. So 0 to 100 is called the range of that scale. So same thing, the range of clinical thermometer is, it start from 35 degrees Celsius and over to the 42 degree Celsius. You can see here. You have to give little attention because the numbers are very small, but from 35 to 42. No 36, no 34 is here, and no more than 42 is here. This is only the numbers in between our thermometer is, no, this is the range. Okay, 35 to 42 degree Celsius. This is the total range. So this is called the range of clinical thermometer. Fine. And why it is like so that only 35 to 42? It is not that this glass tube is very small. It is because it is designed to measure the human body temperature, and it does not go below 35 or above 42. Means human body temperature can be run in between 35 to 42. Neither below 35 nor above 42. Before it, below it also you will die, and more than it also you will die. So there is no need to measure the temperature more than 42 and less than 35. That's why clinical thermometer is ranged as a 35 to 42. Okay, and because human body temperature normal, no, that is 37 degree Celsius. So major point about the clinical thermometer I have covered. Next, another next form of thermometer, that is clinical thermometer, and many more things about the thermometer, but we will see in the next video. Thank you.